Hi, this is Miss Todoric from the Cool Classroom. I wanted to share with you this apprenticeship program. You can apply to learn. It's 21 days. You can make $250 a day, and you have to be at least 13 years old. I thought this would be great for a lot of my YouTubers out there who follow me. So take a look, read through the description, the objectives. I'm in New York, so this would be great for some of my students if they're interested in applying. Just the knowledge alone is definitely worth, just applying. So I wish you good luck. I think you have to just make a short video footage of why you think you'd be great for this opportunity. You do have to be at least 13 years old, and hopefully you'll get a call back. Keep me posted if you do. I know they extended this. They had this. I applied, I think, the last month. So once I hear back, I'm hoping, I'll let you guys know. But take a look. I think it's a great opportunity for us all, especially our new YouTubers like myself. If you're not interested in this, there are a ton of, and you do like filmmaking and making Instagram posts or TikToks, there's a ton of open projects also available where you can earn some money. If you have a pitch for a commercial, you'll see a lot of well-known companies pitching our blog, Bank of America. The list goes on. Lego, sometimes it's just a billboard or Instagram post. Other times you'll see a 3D animated video project. So there's pitches. I mean, there's a lot of funding available for those experienced filmmakers, but it's definitely a great website. Sign up, apply for the apprenticeship program. Thanks. Bye.